Hello, and welcome to the funeral program site Celebrate Prints, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized and loving memory keepsakes. Today we are featuring our large collection of memorial portraits. A memorial portrait is a special photo that is displayed at a funeral or memorial service or placed within a home or office. They can come in a variety of presentations, such as a poster, a framed photo, or printed on wood, canvas, and even glass materials. A memorial portrait is a treasured keepsake because they often capture a special time in a life. A memorial portrait is a way for you to display an in-loving memory during a ceremony, special event, or any time of the year. Remembering a loved one in this manner provides a wonderful way to pay tribute to their memory and life lived. Celebrate Prints offers many different choices when it comes to creating memorial portraits. Our online superstore can take your favorite photo and transform it to a memorable memorial portrait on almost any type of media and presentation. Check us out today, only available at the funeral program site and celebrateprints.com.